I made this in just few days through affiliate marketing on a platform called YouPowered, and I am pleasantly surprised. That's why I'm breaking this video to show you how you too can jump on this and make some extra cash for yourself. You know I'm rooting for you, so any information that will bring money to your pocket, I'll bring it your way. That's what friends do. So in this video, I'm going to show you the platform that paid me this amount of money in few days, how you too can sign up and take advantage of this opportunity. Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how to get started. You can also get this kind of results even if you've not done affiliate marketing for the first time. Actually, it's my first experience at affiliate marketing and I was able to make this amount of money. So I'm going to show you what I did and how you too can jump on this opportunity. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet today. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or you're an expert, you can take advantage of this. YouPowered is the latest affiliate platform in Nigeria. It's by far the best of all affiliates I've ever seen. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to have a product of your own before you start making sales. You don't need to invest a lot of money to start, and it also comes with zero stress. So as affiliate marketer, all you need is recommend product that solves a problem for your audience, and then you get paid once they make purchase using your affiliate link on YouPowered platform. All you need is just sign up, get your affiliate link, pick products you want to promote, and then recommend those products to your audience. So I signed up on YouPowered a couple of days ago. I signed up as an affiliate. I also signed up as a vendor, and in just few days my dashboard is showing me this. I was so impressed when I saw this, and I know I'm going to bring it to you because I also want you to take advantage of this amazing opportunity. There are a number of things I love about YouPowered affiliate program. First, you can earn up to 75% affiliate commission. So if, for example, you sold a product worth 10,000 naira, you can go home with as high as 7,500 naira for driving traffic to this product. So as an affiliate, all you need is drive traffic to the sales page of the product you are promoting. And by driving traffic, I mean telling people about this product and then giving them your affiliate link. That's all you need to do. Once they click on the link and go over to the product, the stress of converting them to customers, collecting payments, and even shipping the product to them is not yours. That is the responsibility of the product owner and the platform. Yet when the sales is made, you go home with a larger cut. You go home with as high as 75% commission, depending on the product you are promoting. That's how amazing being an affiliate marketer on YouPowered is. Now, here is the website that paid me this amount of money in just few days. YouPowered is the newest affiliate marketing program right now in Nigeria, and it's by far the best of them all. There are two ways you can make money on YouPowered. The first is as an affiliate, and the second is as a vendor. Now, as an affiliate, all you need is sign up on the platform, get your affiliate link, pick products that you want to promote. When you promote such products and your audience gets to buy the product through your link, you get paid your commission. As a vendor, you sign up on YouPowered, list your product and services on the platform, then start making cool cash as you have hundreds and thousands of people help you promote your product for you. Why am I very particular about YouPowered affiliate program? Here are outstanding facts. First, registration fee. The amount it takes to register as an affiliate or even as a vendor is very small. Anybody can afford it. YouPowered pays every Wednesday, so Wednesdays is a payday. As you can see from my dashboard, I was paid on Wednesday. You get 14 days free trial. No affiliate program in Nigeria offers that. With YouPowered affiliate program, you sign up absolutely free for 14 good days, make all the sales, collect your affiliate commission without paying a dime. YouPowered offered a free training on affiliate marketing. Shows you everything you need to know when it comes to driving traffic to the offer you are promoting. And I'm going to show you how you can access the free training in a moment. You receive your payment in any currency of choice. For example, if you sign up as a Nigerian and you want to get paid in dollars, you have the choice of doing that. So if someone pays you in dollars, you get your affiliate commission in dollars. That's amazing. So you receive payment as well as your commission fees in different currencies. The biggest of it all is that as a vendor, you can sell digital products as well as physical products. So if, for example, you have a storefront where you sell shoes, you can sign up on YouPowered as a vendor and then get people to promote your shoes or whatever you are selling, you can get a lot of sales. I haven't seen an affiliate platform that promotes physical product. So if you have a shop in Lagos, in Onitsha, in Alaba, in Aba, you can always get customers. No more hindrance, guys. So whether you're selling cars, shoes, clothes, you can sign up, get thousands of people promote your product for you. You make a lot of sales. Now let me walk you step by step how to sign up on YouPowered, either as an affiliate or as a vendor. Here is YouPowered affiliate program. It says earn up to 75% commission and above in affiliate marketing by driving sales to digital or physical product and services on the platform. Then as a vendor, you boost sales by over 200% in no time. Let me walk you through step by step how to sign up. Show you a number of exciting things about the platform. Then I'll show you how to sign up. Like I said, I am both affiliate and a vendor because of how amazing the platform is. As an affiliate with YouPowered, you earn a commission from 20% and above on every single sales you made. All commissions earned for the week are paid every Wednesday into your designated bank account. So this is going to pay straight into your Nigerian bank account. You don't need any stress of getting PayPal and Paystack account. So to become an affiliate with YouPowered, an affiliate maintenance fee of $5 is expected, which is about 3,000 naira. That's actually what I paid when I signed up. Then as a vendor on YouPowered, you are allowed to sell digital products and services as well as physical products. This is the first time an affiliate program is considering physical product owners. All you need to do is just sign up as a vendor, then pick a membership subscription plan of your choice to gain access to the vendor dashboard and submit your products and start making sales. Let's scroll down a little before I show you exactly how to do this. I was able to raise this amount of money from the sales of my digital product. This is vendor subscription plans. You choose the one that you want, sign up and start making sales. To even make it easy for you, here's a step-by-step how to sign up both as a vendor or as an affiliate. You can see the videos here that will guide you on how to sign up, how to get your referral link, and how to submit your product for approval as a vendor. Down to what I said, that you're going to get an access to a free training on how to promote your product. Look at this. It says free training. So if you click on this free training, it's going to open to show you a step-by-step guide on how to become an affiliate marketer and how to promote your link. There's a step-by-step guide on how to become an affiliate marketer if you're a beginner. How do you sign up? Click on this button here. So when it opens, you see affiliate registration. All you need is just supply the information, your first name, your last name, your email address. When you come down here, it says, how will you promote our site? Click on this drop down menu here, and then you select the option that best suits your promotion plan. So if you do not have a website or a blog site, I would advise you select the social media. Tick this box that says, I accept. If you're registering as an affiliate, you need to skip this box and then click on register. Once you do this, it's going to take you to a platform where you are going to complete your registration, and boom, you are an affiliate on this platform. You start promoting the product and making sales for yourself. That's how to sign up on YouPowered as either affiliate or vendor and start making money for yourself. If you're looking for more ways to make money as a beginner, here is the video that will guide you. Click on this video right now and watch it, and you'll be glad you did. See you in my next video. Bye.